What's the difference between the top stem and the bottom stem in a 奇门遁甲 chart? When you plot a chart in a 奇门遁甲, what happens is that in every of the palaces, beside the number 5, which is in the middle, you will notice that there are two different symbols. That's exactly one of the symbol is at the top and one of the symbol is at the bottom, which is at the right hand corner of every single box beside box number 5. So what happened is that there are one on top, there are one below. So these are the thing called the stems, 十天干 stems. So there will be total of 10 different stems, and because that Jia itself is hidden, so it will not be shown in the 9 palaces. And we will have all the different 9 different stems. There's going to be randomly generated within the boxes. So there's one on top, there's one below. So the one on top, what does it really mean? And the one below, what does it really mean? So we need to understand that the top itself, we're talking about the current status and the future status. So what's going to happen in that particular stem which is reflecting. And if we talk about the one below, this is talking about the one that is the past tense. That means things which have already happened. So in this case, you need to understand both represent two different meaning. One is the past, one is the current and the future. So technically, the bottom one, we call it the earthly stem. The top one, we call it the heavenly stem. So these two are kind of differentiated in such a way that it tells us related to, on the top is future, current. On the bottom, this is, we talk about things which are in the past tense, you see. So, but you also have to understand that in these two combination, any of the different stems that combine together, it also means different meaning too. So in the kind of meaning, there will be much more complicated. This is called the 十天干. That means 十干克硬. That means when two of the different stems combine together, it creates a certain chemical reaction. You know, the chemical reaction whereby it tells us a different meaning. That will be a deeper story in that aspect. Will be more into the advanced class already. Okay, so I hope you do understand about more into the earthly stem and the heavenly stem.